Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard Mathematics C by Cantab publisher. And remember, all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today we are going to talk about the things of similar group. It means that by the end of the lesson, or SLO, by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to differentiate the things on the basis of grouping. So let's begin the lesson. So look at here what I am having in my hand. This is a glass. This is a glass, and we use it to drink water, drink milk, drink juices. And what is this? This is a spoon, and we use it to eat food. And what's about this one? Plate, and we use it to keep our food in the plate. It means that this glass, this spoon, and this plate is used for eating and drinking purpose. These three things form a group. These three things form a group. And what's about this one? This is a pencil. What would happen if I add it into this group? This couldn't be the part of this group. This couldn't be the part of this group. Now look at here. What if I am having book and a pencil? Yes, this book and this pencil can form a group because both of these things are used for a common purpose, and that is learning. That is learning and writing. Good, very good. Now look at here what I am having in my hand. This is a shape. Which shape? Rectangle, square, triangle, and an oval. What's about these four shapes? Are these four shapes making a group? Yes, these four shapes are making a group of shapes. These are making a group of shapes. Very good. Now what you can do, you can give them, you can divide the student into different groups, and you can give them different things and objects, and you can ask them to form different groups. They have to separate, or they have to find out the different thing, the different object you have given which is not matching with the rest of members of the group. For example, I can give them glass, spoon, plate, and a duster, and I can ask the student to make up a group and to take out the odd one. To take out the odd one. This is the odd one. After doing this, I can ask them, I can invite them for the boardwalk. Like this, I can draw flowers. Flowers. Different type of flowers. Like this. Flowers. Like this. So what I am doing? I am drawing flowers. I am drawing flowers. And look at here. What is this? This is a fish. Oh. Flowers are making a group, but this fish is an odd one. So we have to erase it in order to form a group of flowers. Look at here. I am drawing balls. Different balls. These are balls. And I am drawing a bat. These are the things we use to play cricket. What would happen if I add an apple here? Can this apple be the part of this group? No, this can't be the part of this group. Similarly, I can draw different groups here, and I can ask the student to come and to remove or to erase the odd member out of the group. Similarly, what I can do, I can draw different things in do two halves, or I can draw two columns here like this. I can draw a ball here, and then I can draw a bat here like this. I can draw a cup here, and I can draw a spoon here. And I can ask them to come and join the things that belong to the same group like this. After this, I can ask them to open their books and go through this page. As we have already clarified the concept to them, so we can assign this exercise to be done individually by the student. Look, there is an instruction for the teacher that the teacher can also group the things on the basis of their color and sizes, and she can separate short-heighted boys from tall-heighted boys. Thank you very much.